welcome back to my channel. So today we're talking about some new product launches. I'm just gonna look right off of the Trend Mood Instagram page. Basically, she posts the new releases in the makeup world, talks about new products, new brands, new beauty news, stuff like that. So I thought we could go through it, talk about what interests me, what doesn't interest me. I filmed a couple of other videos like this. I probably should make a playlist because I would like to film them more often. I tend to do them like once a month, basically, but there's some pretty interesting stuff that's coming out, and then there's some other stuff where I'm just like, really? So I thought we'd go through it, chat about it. The Sephora sale is right around the corner, so if any of these products are currently available, I will link them down below so that you can get them in your cart, get ready to buy. The Sephora sale starts in like a week or two. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about is the Beauty Blender Dream Swirl Sponge. Beauty Blender, they're so cute, you guys. They come out with limited edition colors and fun stuff like that. I remember back in the day when, well, first of all, there was just the one. There was the pink Beauty Blender, and then there was the black one and the white one. And the white one was supposed to be for skincare, and the black one was the pro. And then after that, it just kind of spiraled into all of these fun colors. And I would love to be the person that collects them all, but I'm not. It's really cute though. Okay, next is a blush by Estee Lauder. It looks really cool. In the pan, it's like textured. It almost looks like bubbly even, which sounds weird, but I'm a sucker for blush. This looks kind of floral. It's a pink mauvey color. It's pretty. It's the Rebellious Rose Pure Color Envy Blush. There's only the one color. Cream to powder. Interesting. It's expensive and it's only available at Nordstrom, so I probably won't buy it, but I think it's pretty. Okay, next thing is really catching my attention. I have a really good skincare routine going on, but something about eye creams just always sparks my attention, and this is really cool. It's purple and it's swirled, which is just like, ooh, it's getting me excited. It's by Ole Henriksen, and it is their Wrinkle Blur, I'm not going to say this right, Bakuk, I'm not going to say it right. You can read it on the screen. Eye Gel Cream. I would love to check this out. It says it's supposed to help with wrinkles, improve firmness, elasticity, and the look of dark circles. It's 49 bucks. This might be something I'd check out during the sale. It's pretty. Okay, next thing I truly thought was Smith Cosmetics, and I was gonna get real excited because I was thinking maybe they're gonna start being sold at Sephora. Smith Cosmetics makes great brushes, you guys, but they're handmade. And when I went to IMATS a couple of years ago, I was told there's only 6 people in the whole world that know how to make Smith Cosmetics brushes. So I was gonna get really excited here for a second, thinking this was an announcement that like, ooh, sold at Sephora. It's not. They look like them though, kinda. These are Spectrum collections. Yeah, they look like really good brushes though. It's a collab with Katie Jane Hughes. I'm not sure who that is. I'll have to look her up. But yeah, it's a set. Ooh, it's expensive. 235 bucks. I've never tried them before, so I can't speak to it, but they look really sleek and really nice. Okay, you guys, let's talk about the Peeps collection by Hip Dot. Hip Dot always has like really trendy, kind of like themed, cool collections. I've never tried anything by Hip Dot before, so I can't speak to the quality of the products, but this is a really cute collection. They have beauty sponges that look like Peeps, like the marshmallows that you eat. I think that's adorable. And then they have a pastel palette. I'm not much into pastel shadows. It's not my jam. But this palette is cute. I could see why it's Peeps themed. You know, there's yellow, there's blue, there's pink, there's purple. There's a couple of neutrals, so cute. If you guys have tried Hip Dot stuff before, let me know. They're relatively inexpensive, 24 bucks for 6 shadows. Okay, let's talk about Jaclyn Cosmetics, Jaclyn Hill. I've actually got a couple of DMs from you guys asking me what my thoughts are. Am I gonna pick up the collection? Am I gonna do a review on the collection? I've thought about this a lot because I don't have anything against Jaclyn Hill. I purchased her lipsticks when they came out, and then there was that whole shenanigan thing around it. I've watched the conspiracy videos. I've watched, you know, the trash talking videos. I've watched her videos. I've watched it all, right? From my experience, I used to support her a ton. I bought Champagne Pop when it first came out. I bought her Morphe palettes. I've supported her because, you know, we got to support each other in this community, and I have followed her for a very long time and all that jazz, right? But I've also just, in my opinion, noticed a trend with everything she releases, and I do think, so her products are going to be sold in Ulta. In fact, they are already in Ulta. And so huge kudos to her. That's amazing. That is awesome. And I also think that in order to be sold in a place like Ulta, she has to have increased her quality control. She can't have these slip-ups anymore, right? She can't have these issues with packaging and hairs and quality, and she just can't, consistency. And so I have to imagine she has upped her game dramatically and drastically. So I was gonna say I'd like to go and swatch them, but because of COVID, we can't swatch products right now. So I don't know. I'd like to see reviews on the products. I'm not opposed to them. Also, it looks like, according to the photos, it's highlighters, blushes, and bronzers. I know she recently made an announcement about lipsticks. I don't know when those are coming out. So I don't need any blushes and bronzers right now. I certainly don't need any highlighters. So these are kind of just products that I don't really need or even have the desire to buy right now. I'm not gonna say I never will, you know, use her stuff, but for the time being, I'm content in not having the product. I don't have the urge to like buy the whole collection, you know? I don't have that like, oh, I need it, you know what I mean? I think I talked about these in my last video like this. Pretty sure I did, but for some reason they're on trend mood again. Let's see why. Are they available now? No, it still just says coming soon. I'm gonna talk about them again because I'm really excited about it. It's the Bare Minerals Blonzers. So they're blush and bronzers like combined into, not a split pan, it's still just one pan. It reminds me a ton of Benefit Dallas, where it's like a bronzy colored blush basically. And I want to try them so stinking bad. There's 3 colors, light, medium, dark, or light, medium, deep, or something like that. And I want all 3 of them. I think it's a great product. It's eye-catching. It's drawing me in. I want to try it. I want to try it real bad. Okay, Fenty Beauty has a body sauce. What a name. Body sauce? That is quite the marketing. Okay, it looks like this is body paint. Body blurring tint. That's not really a product that I feel like I need. I feel like it would get all over my clothes. It would smudge onto my baby. So, I mean, there's definitely a market for it, for sure, but not me. My son just woke up from his nap and he's playing in the loft, which is literally on the other side of this door. And I could hear him like shaking the door handle. So if you hear little screams, that's him, but we're almost done here. So there's a few more products we're gonna go through. So Tatcha has a setting powder now, you guys. I'm intrigued by this. I'm not a huge fan of loose powders. I've found that I just prefer pressed powders. I do, so I probably won't buy this, but I'm certainly intrigued by it. I would like to see reviews on it. I know their primer is a really good primer, the Luminous Silk, or what is it called? Not Luminous Silk, just Silk powder. So I don't know. I have to imagine that a skincare brand coming out with a powder, it's got to be good, you know, but it also could go really wrong really fast too. So okay, this collection is just silly. I will not be buying this, but I have to talk about it. I was a huge Rugrats fan growing up. I, like 4th grade, if I remember correctly, was all about the Rugrats. I had a Rugrats backpack, a Trapper Keeper. I was all about Rugrats. Angelica specifically was my fave. So this is definitely bringing some nostalgia vibes, but I won't buy it. What is even the brand of this? Taste Beauty NYC. It says it's available at Walmart, and it's a Rugrats eyeshadow palette and lip glosses. So the palette is Angelica. And then it looks like Tommy, Chucky, and Reptar are the lip glosses. This is silly. I'll bet the quality is crap, but it's probably just more of like a collector's item. Ooh, there's some lip products that I am all about right now, you guys. So Winky Lux is releasing these like marbled sherbet looking lipsticks. I feel like I want all three colors. These are balms. Oh my god, I love lip balm lipsticks. Where is Winky Lux sold at Sephora or Ulta? Ulta, okay. If there's an Ulta sale, I might pick one of these up at least. They're really pretty. I love lip balm lipsticks. Also, Charlotte Tilbury has a new lipstick. This is her Kissing formula, which is my favorite. The matte one's good too, but the Kissing one's a little bit easier, more like a cream sheen. And it's in the color Nude Romance. It's a peachy nude, but the packaging is so pretty, you guys. Ooh, it's 37 bucks. It's really pretty, and it's like has like a heart embossed on the actual lipstick itself, and there's jewels on the container. This is something that, like, if it's still around for like my birthday or Mother's Day, it's on my list. It looks like Tarte is expanding their Shape Tape family. So there's something called, what is this called? Shape Tape Eye Cream. Okay. You know, Tarte had an eye cream. They might still have it, but it was a vitamin C eye cream that I tried a long time ago. It burned my eyes. It just did not work well. So sometimes I feel like makeup brands or makeup lines need to just stick to makeup and stop trying to do skincare, and vice versa as well with the Tatcha and the powder. Like, it could either go really, really well or really, really wrong. Charlotte Tilbury does it good, but I don't know. I'm not interested in the eye cream. Okay, let's throw a couple more in here. So what are these? Super Dewy Makeup Revolution. Okay, so these are Super Dewy liquid blushes. I have been into liquid and cream blushes a lot more lately. I would be curious to try these out. I like the fact that they are Revolution brand because that's drugstore, it's affordable. And so if it ends up being a product that I absolutely hate, I feel like I wouldn't be wasting a ton of money trying them out. The colors are really pretty. There's a couple of colors in here that are like speaking my name. They're $7 each. That's not bad at all. I know Revolution is sold at Ulta. So I feel like, you know, if I was ever at Ulta and I saw these, you know, I might pick one up, but I don't think I'm going to go out of my way to get them. Okay, next thing is by Colored Rain. I have never tried anything by Colored Rain, but I remember, I think it was Fame Expo that I went to like 4 years ago. My friend Brittany and I saw this was when they were first becoming a brand. Colored Rain had a booth there, and we got to like test out some of their lipsticks, and like, it was just a really cool brand. So, you know, I'd like to support them in some way or another. It looks like these are bronzers. Wow, there's some really dark ones in here too. I have never seen a makeup brand have bronzers that are that dark. That's cool. Kudos to them. So these are bronzers. Looks like they're matte. So they are super pigmented. So a light hand will do. Long wear, matte finish, formulated for easy movement and blending. So, you know, I would be curious about these. The packaging, the marketing, the photo is really cool. It looks like coffee. So I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm definitely a sucker for blush, and it looks like these are Ombre Blushes by the brand Moira Cosmetics. I don't know how to say that. Clearly it's a brand I've never heard of before, but these blushes are pretty. They're ombre, and they're like tie-dye colors. They're embossed with these really pretty like scenes, flowers, birds, or really, really pretty butterflies. I'd be curious to know what that orange and yellow one looks like on your cheeks though. But there's some more pretty muted tones in here too. These are $9 each. That's not bad at all. This is another one of those products where, like, you know, if I saw it at like Ulta or Walgreens, you know, when I was buying something else, I might pick it up. I'm not gonna go out of my way to order something like that, but they're really pretty. Okay, next product is by Sigma. I have been very curious to try Sigma eyeshadows. I know that the formula has gotten drastically better over the years. I have a ton of Sigma brushes, and they're like cleaning products for the brushes, But I don't think I've ever tried their makeup before. Maybe like a lip product, but definitely not their eyeshadows. So I'm very curious by these. There's some really pretty color stories. Rosy is like pretty pinks. There's a champagne in there. Hazy is also really pretty. It's more like purples. So these are 9 pan shadows. How much are they? $29? That's not bad. I don't know. Sigma is only sold at Sigma though, I'm pretty sure. So I don't know. This is one where I want to try one out. I do, but it's just like the ease and ability of buying it. I don't want to go to the Sigma website and have to pay for shipping and all that jazz. So, but I'm very intrigued. Oh, okay. This will be the last one I talk about because I think, where am I at? 20 minutes? Okay. Long enough video. We were just talking about bronzers and really dark ones. So Fenty Beauty has a new bronzer shade. It is very dark. It's called Thick Mint. And it is, oh no, what? Yeah, Thick Mint is what it's called. It's the deepest neutral shade following Mocha Miami. So I love the fact that they're coming out with a bigger color range. Fenty Beauty's really good about that anyways. But I think this is great. I think there's definitely a market out there for bronzers that color. Clearly not me, but I think it's great. I love their bronzer. I have the 2 lightest shades and I really like them. You know what? I want to talk about one more product because I saw this as I was kind of like scrolling up and down. So Haas Labs, which is Lady Gaga's brand, I've never been interested about. My sister, she keeps trying to get me to try something like the eyeliner or something like that. And I'm just like, sis, I am not interested at all. Something about her line being sold on Amazon, like I'm just not gonna go to Amazon to buy my makeup. I'm just not. And that's just me. There's tons of people out there, of course, that do like it. But anyways, this actually caught my attention. This is a brow pencil. So it's called the Edge Precision Brow Pencil, and it's like these little micro pointed brow pencils. I am a sucker for any brand that comes out with a micro pointed brow pencil, so that's why I was like, ooh. And she actually has a lot of shades. There's 1, 2, 3, is it in here somewhere? 13 shades, which is great. Usually even Anastasia Beverly Hills only has like 6 or 8 different shades, so 13 is huge. I have to say, kudos to you, Lady Gaga. I'm still not gonna buy my makeup on Amazon. I just get like knockoff vibes from Amazon beauty products. I don't know. I mean, obviously I know it's not, when you know what I'm saying. Okay guys, well that is the rundown on my thoughts of some of the current products that are up and available and stuff like that. So I hope that you enjoyed watching me talk about all these products. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.